The idea is to score with your utility knife right across the top, down, and I'd like to do about 14-inch strips, 12, do a line across. The idea is straight lines. So, like for instance, if you have something here that you can't cut out, score it in a square. That way you can remove the squares around it. So just barely use the tip of your utility knife, because all you want to do is just barely score the paper. That's it. But the key is small strips. Now we'll go ahead and heat up the area, starting with where you're going to start the removal. And you're going to have to gauge this by trying it out and, different temperatures. The lowest is probably going to work the best. You're going to have to time out, to figure out kind of like roughly how long to do it for. Once that's done, I like to use the utility, the scraper here, start an edge, and just pull it back. You want to pull straight down, and you want to pull right on the edge of it. Right on the edge of it, straight down. If you pull towards the over here, it'll tear. So you want to pull right along it, bring it down. As soon as you feel that it's quite a bit of pressure, as soon as you feel some tension, stop, put it back up, kind of stick it somewhat there. Grab your heat gun or whatever, do it again. Do this section here, another 4 or 5 inches, and bring it back down again. I've done this whole place here, and really not that much time. If it ends up tearing while you're pulling it, just stop, grab your straight edge here. You might have to heat it up a little tiny bit, but the key is, it's hard to do because I'm doing it by myself here, but the key is you have to pull this whole thing down together at the same time. So don't just pull it off and make it a strip. Just catch it again and start bringing it down in one piece. That's the idea.